What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. It usually tells us about time, place, direction, cause, manner, or instrument. White right pointing backhand index example. The book is on the table. On shows the relationship between book and table place. Books kinds of prepositions. Here are the main types of prepositions. 1. Prepositions of place position. Black right arrow tell where something is. Examples: in, on, at, under, over, behind, next to. The pen is on the table. She stood behind the curtain. 2. Prepositions of time. Black right arrow show when something happens. Examples: at, on, in, before, after, since, until. I'll meet you at 5 p.m. We go on vacation in July. 3. Prepositions of direction movement. Black right arrow show movement from one place to another. Examples: to, into, onto, out of, from, toward. He walked into the room. She's driving to the market. 4. Prepositions of manner, cause, or reason. Black right arrow explain how, why, or because of what. Examples: by, with, due to, because of. She painted the wall with a brush. The match was cancelled due to rain. With a smile. 5. Prepositions of agent or instrument. Black right arrow show who did something or what tool was used. Examples: by, with. The poem was written by her. He cut the paper with scissors. 6. Compound prepositions. Black right arrow formed by combining words, often preposition plus noun. Examples: in front of, next to, in spite of, because of. The car is parked in front of the house. 7. Phrasal prepositions. Also called prepositional phrases. Black right arrow groups of words used as a preposition. Examples: according to, in regard to, with respect to. According to the report, sales increased. White heavy check mark uses of prepositions in English grammar. To show location or place. The keys are under the pillow. To express time. I've been here since morning. To show direction or movement. She's going towards the exit. To show method or means. They traveled by train. To introduce an object of a verb or adjective. He is good at dancing. She apologized for being late. He tipped to remember. A preposition is usually followed by a noun or pronoun. Preposition plus noun pronoun. X under the bed, to him. Common prepositions to use with it. Here are some examples of prepositions that work well before or after the phrase. 1. In. Used to indicate inclusion or subject matter. I enrolled in a deep and innovative teaching tutorial. She specializes in creating deep and innovative teaching tutorials. 2. For. Used to indicate purpose or intended audience. This tutorial is for educators who want to adopt new methods. A deep and innovative teaching tutorial for advanced learners. 3. On. Used to specify the topic or focus. A deep and innovative teaching tutorial on critical thinking. They launched a series on deep and innovative teaching tutorials. 4. With. Used to describe the features or qualities of something. An online course with deep and innovative teaching tutorials. A platform with a focus on deep and innovative teaching tutorials. 5. By. Used to show the creator or author. A deep and innovative teaching tutorial by leading education experts.